Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So Canon, they've done it. They've apparently wrapped up their announcements for the year, much like a kid who ate half the Halloween candy and called it a night. So we were all hoping for a surprise lens drop before 2026, but nope, crickets, tumbleweeds. Maybe we'll get a firmware update if we behave. But there is something interesting brewing, and it's coming from the magical land of wireless certifications. So whenever Canon, or anyone really, releases a product with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, they have to register it with agencies worldwide. And guess what? A new Canon camera just showed up in one of those filings. The interesting part is it's rocking the same Wi-Fi module dual band Wi-Fi 6 that you'll find inside the R1 and the R5 Mark II. Meanwhile, the R6 Mark III stuck on Wi-Fi 5. Canon cinema cameras, also Wi-Fi 5. Oh, I'm sorry, you want to transfer your files faster? Too bad. Should have mortgaged your house and bought an R1. But you see, that's the point here. Faster wireless, that matters when you're shooting the Olympics, or you're shooting some dude sprinting down a football field. For the everyday shooter, it's nice to have, but not essential. So, what camera could this new registration be for? Well, naturally, the internet has already caught wind of it and has already chimed in screaming R3 Mark II. But I don't think so. You see, Canon has the R1 at the top, the R5 living its best life right underneath, and trying to wedge an R3 successor between those two? It feels like cramming a 70-200 into a nano bag. Possible, sure, but painful. Well, what about APS-C? Maybe the R7 Mark II? Well, see, I can't really imagine Canon giving APS-C a real flagship with R1 level internals. But what if this mystery camera isn't a camera at all? I'm thinking global shutter. Think about it for a second. Canon's been hinting ever so slightly that they're dabbling in global shutter tech for future cameras. And it would justify a higher tier. But even so, a certification doesn't necessarily mean a product is coming soon. So don't go selling your R5 Mark II thinking that the next coming of camera Jesus is imminent. So until Canon decides to actually tell us something, we're just left reading wireless certifications like detectives, which honestly, is kind of fun. So let me know down in the comments, what do you think? What mystery camera do you think this is, or is it a camera at all? I want to hear your thoughts. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to grab a couple of my newly released photo prints from my Northern Nevada collection, as well as my Lightroom presets pack. And until next time, get out and shoot. And I will see you soon. Sooner than you may think.